Benavent signaling a play to number 2. Number 11. Back to number 2, fakes. Benavent, 10 to shoot. Gatos kicks it out, number 2, fakes, hesitates. From Rainbow, short. Number 29, first personal foul, Rodriguez, substitution, Esperido, checking in. Pandi is now on penalty. Rocky bounce for number 43, Gamboa. Last throw for Gamboa. Guarded tightly by Salama. Gets a pick from number 11. For Abdi. Valentino. Valentino, the shady yes. Underneath Rodriguez. It's about to see a hard to shoot from Rainbow. He takes the lead, 65 to 63. What an exciting ball game. Ramos, Manaba, guarded tightly by Rodriguez. Here is the main man, out there. Trying to shoot, asking for a pick. Goes underneath to Manaba. For Balagtas. Doing everything for Balagtas. Scoring to assist. But here's number 21 at the baseline. Asinillo moves up the ball at the baseline. This is the 6th deadlock of the game at 65 ball. After doing all for Balagtas, bring the ball down, throws it in the corner. 47 for Cisco. Great. That is his 4th three-point. Gatos, head to shoot. Here's Benavent. Casimiro. Alright, 1.2 seconds. 1.2. Capitán Boleños. Pandi inbounding. Takes it out. Tigis ang timeout. Ang Pandi at Balagtas. Rodriguez to Salama bring the ball down. Salama guarded tightly, gives it to number 43, takes his pass to Ate, then to shoot. Ate, the main man from Rainbow. That's right, underneath. It's into 14-second shot clock. 4 seconds differential. Another time clock and shot clock. Gatos. Messias driving. Using his first. Last row for Ramos. Mrs. Barbosa Spiridion. Gives it to Gregorio